Hey guys, so today we're going to be getting started with the mobile app. So we're going to be talking about downloading the app first and making sure that you're on the latest version, creating activation codes, and of course logging in. So let's go ahead and get started. So the first thing we want to do, if you haven't already, is download the mobile app. So go ahead and go to either the Apple Store or of course Google Play if you have an Android device like me. So I went to Google Play Store and you can search for Wise Option Equine, and it's that first selection there. As you can see, mine's already downloaded, so I'm just going to go ahead and open it from here. But if you haven't already, please download it. We'll go ahead and open this. And so the first thing you want to do, if you have already downloaded the app, is you're going to want to go ahead and click the main menu, and you're going to want to go to the authorization code. And if you have already downloaded the app, maybe downloaded it like a long time ago, go ahead and delete that authorization code that you have there. But if you had just updated or if you had just downloaded the app, you probably don't have an authorization code there. You're going to go over to Contact Us, and you're going to want to make sure that you're on the latest version. On this version, it's version 15. Okay, so next you want to realize the authorization code. So like I said, again, if you already have one, and it's been a while, like a couple months or something, go ahead and delete that one because you're going to want to make sure that you start with a new one. Next, you're going to want to log on to wiseoption.com to get an authorization code. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and sign in. And then from here, you're going to want to go up on the top bar there. There's that tools icon. So you're going to go ahead and click on that. You're going to want to come down here to authorized mobiles. So this is going to give you a list of all of your activation codes. So for each device that you would like the mobile app on, you need to have a different authorization code. And so you want to make sure you make one for each device. So you can see I've already got a couple here. I'm going to go ahead and add a new authorization code. So when I add a new one, there's a couple things that you have an option to do. I do really like using the mobile alias. That way you can name each device and especially if you've got maybe a lot of interns, which authorization code belongs to which person. So I'm going to go ahead and name this authorization code with my name. Like I said, you can use whatever you'd like. Next option is an expiration date. I'm going to leave this as infinity, or at least my lifespan. But of course, if you have an intern, maybe you'll want to use, maybe just give it like a 6-month lifespan, and that way you don't have to worry about deleting it. It will just expire. So the next thing we're going to talk about now, we've got our activation code. Now we need to enter it on our mobile device. So I'm going to go ahead and again go over to that side menu bar and select authorization code. So if you had one from a long time ago, it should be deleted now. But I'm going to go ahead and enter the authorization code there on the screen. Once you enter your authorization code, it should automatically take you to this login. So again, you want to make sure you're logging in with the same username and login you used to get into Wise Option, not the login for the terminal and not your login for the Wise Option website. So it is your login to get into Wise Option. Okay, so just to recap again, so today we talked about getting started with the mobile app, including downloading the app, making sure that you kind of had a fresh slate, making sure any old activation codes were deleted, getting those new activation codes, and of course logging in for the first time as well. I'll make a separate video as well talking about getting started with the mobile app in terms of viewing calendar appointments, getting started with the daily worksheet and other features as well, and where we're going with that. Thanks so much for joining us. And of course, if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out, contact us, or schedule a session through Facebook. Thanks so much.